Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how you can forward email on your Yahoo Mail app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. First and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your Yahoo Mail app, and then you can select any of the message that you want to forward and tap on it. Once you tap on it, you can find the forward option. So simply tap on forward and you need to type in the recipient's ID in the to option. So once you type in the recipient's ID as well, then simply hit the send button, and once the message has been sent, it is considered to be forwarded to the other recipient as well. So in this way, you can forward different messages to people that are available in your email or any other person as well. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.